Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Drell here coming at you with another video today. Another day, another banger. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make $1,000 a week on ClickBank without a website or anything like that, man. And this is gonna be a banger. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a good one. Make sure you watch this whole video because if you take action on this video, don't just watch it and don't take action. But if you take action on this video, you can make more than $1,000 a week, man. I promise you. But if you find this video valuable, make sure that you leave a like on it for me. I really appreciate it. Comment down below any questions you have. And if that button is down below, make sure you subscribe to join the gang of entrepreneurs. And without further ado, let's get right into this video, man. This is going to be a good one. Alright, so the first step to this process is to create a ClickBank account if you don't already have one. Now, I already have one, so I already logged into mine. But all you got to do is fill out the information and things like that. It's completely free, by the way, and then you're good to go. Now, once you log into your ClickBank account, you just want to go over to Marketplace. And for this video, we're going to be the health and fitness niche, man. And I want to show you guys something about the health and fitness niche. This thing is huge, man. So if you have a product in the health and fitness niche and you know how to sell in the health and fitness niche, you can make a lot of money. So as you can see on Google Trends, right, I compared it to the wealth niche and the relationship niche. And as you can see, the health and fitness niche is way over that, man. It's crazy. I didn't know it was this much of a difference between them and the interest between them, right? So as you can see, it's way over the other two. And those are the top three niches to be in online, right? The health niche, the wealth niche, and the relationship niche. But by far the health niche, if you could get in that niche and you know how to sell in that niche, you can make tons of money because that's where all the attention is, right? But we're going to be in the health and fitness niche, man. I got a product for you guys to sell, and I'm going to show you guys how to actually do it. And if you take action, like I said in the beginning of this video, if you take action, you can make a lot of money. But let's go over the health and fitness niche. So as you can see, all I want to do is search by gravity. And for this method right here, we want to look for a product that you can ship, right? So I'm going to explain it in a minute why we want to look for it. And the product we're going to be using is Organifi. So what Organifi is just a green juice, right? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be shipping this product to an influencer and we're going to have them promote it for us, right? So all we need to do is buy the product for them and ship it to them, right? And then on their YouTube channel, they're going to promote it for us, and then we're going to get a bunch of sales coming in. And I'm going to show you guys how to reach out to them and things like that, how to find the best ones, all of that, man. But I'm going to just click on buy now. So I'm going to show you guys how much you got to spend, right? So all you have to do is spend $57, well, like $58, right? Well, plus shipping. Let's see how much is the shipping, so I know exactly how much you got to spend. All right, so $7.95, it comes to $65.90, right? So that's all you have to spend, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to send this product to a YouTube influencer inside the fitness niche, right? And then on their channel, they're going to show the green juice and all of that. And then they're going to have a link in the description. And that link in the description is going to be your affiliate link. So that's how you're going to be making money off of this. And all you have to invest is $65.90, man. And then you're going to be making thousands of dollars. I'm going to show you guys how to find the YouTube influencers in just a second. I just wanted to explain what I'm about to be showing you guys and how this works, right? But like I said, all you're investing is $65, and then you're going to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars back from this method, man. Because this absolutely works, especially if you find the right influencer. So as you can see, let me go back to ClickBank real quick. So the average sell on this is $74, right? So let's do some math real quick. So $1,000 divided by 74. Boom. So all you need is about 13 sales, or 14. Let's just round it up to 14. All you need is 14 sales a week to make $1,000 a week with this product, man. So you can do that, especially if you find a right influencer with getting a bunch of views. You can do that and you can make a lot of money from this. So I just want you guys to know that this method works, and if you take action on this video, you can make a lot of money, like I've been saying. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. You just find a product that you can ship on ClickBank. You want to ship it to that influencer that you're going to be using, and then on that video, they're going to be showing the product, showing the benefits of it and everything. And then in the description, they're going to have your affiliate link. And why would they actually do this? Because who doesn't like free stuff, man? Who doesn't like free stuff? And if you say you're going to give them the green juice for free, of course they're gonna make that video, man. And if they charge a little bit more for it, you're still gonna make that money back. Let's say they charge you an extra $50 for the video or something like that. You're still definitely gonna make that money back. So it's worth the investment, man. It's definitely worth the investment. But let's go over to YouTube, right? And we want to find some influencers to promote this product for us, right? So, one more thing about Organifi, right, is that you got to get accepted for it, right? So when you apply for Organifi, if they don't accept you right away, what I want you guys to do is just contact them. So contact the affiliate support, ask them why they didn't accept you, and see if you can get accepted through there, right? So if they don't accept your application, just contact the affiliate support team, and that always works for me, right? So just contact them if they don't accept you. But let's go over to YouTube, and we're going to find an influencer to do this with, right? So all you want to do, one trick I found is just type in fitness, right? And then you want to filter and then go to channel. This is a trick that I learned to find channels very, very quickly. Just go to filter, right? And then search by channel, right? So easy to do. And I just clicked on one. All right, so I guess we're going to be going with her real quick. So I want to go to her video, see how many views she getting and things like that. She looking like she getting a pretty decent amount of views going to her videos. As you can see right here, the video of hers got 35K. So you mean to tell me that if you do this promotion with her, you can't get 14 people to buy it? No, there's no way, man. You're going to make that money back. You're going to make over $1,000 a week, especially if you go with someone like her with a huge following that's getting a lot of views, man. You definitely going to make that money back. So I'm going to show you guys a way to actually see if they're legit or not, see if they bought subscribers and things like that. So all you want to do is copy their name, and then you want to go over to Social Blade, right? Now, you can do this with any niche, right? So it could be in the spirituality niche. If you find a product on there that you can ship and things like that, you can do it with that. Or any other niche on ClickBank, this can work with any other niche or any product online, to be honest, that you can ship. Let me copy and paste her name. And let's see. Now you want to just check and make sure that her followers are legit. So you don't want to skip this step, because if they bought followers and things like that, then they won't buy your product. So you don't want to skip this step. You want to make sure that they're legit. And let me scroll down. So as you can see, she is gaining followers or subscribers every single day. And let's see. So let's look at the monthly subs. So this is looking like, I mean, this could be legit, but it's kind of sketchy at the same time. You feel me? Because look, this month she gained 2,000 subscribers, and then the next month she gained 24K, and then it's right back down, right? But YouTube, you can't have big spikes like that. So it is possible that she gained 20K, but I just would be sketchy. I would be a little worried about this one, because, you know, she gained 20K when she was only averaging, well, it goes up and down with YouTube, so you can't really be too sure about this one. But let's check out another one to see someone more steady. Let me go back. But yeah, you just want to look out for huge spikes like that. Let's say she gained 2K and then she gained 20K the next month. That's a little suspect, you know, but it does happen. I'm not going to say with every channel that doesn't happen, because you can have a huge spike like that. But I'm going to just check out another person. Let's check out his videos. Alright, so his channel, they're not really posting like that. So that's another thing you want to look out for. You want to go with people that are actually posting consistently, as you can see 1 month ago. So if you reach out to them, chances are they're not even going to reply, right? So let me go to this only got 5K subscribers. Let me see how many views they're getting though. They're in Spanish. Nah, we're not gonna go with that one. Let's see. 5 videos, 21,000. Jeez. Or another thing that you can do, right, is you could just come up here and search like fitness journey and things like that. Fitness journey, and then you could find some channels like that. Let me go to hers. Alright, so she's not posting like that either too much. You just want to find a bunch of people, man. You're going to have to do some research. You're going to have to search around, things like that. This is going to take some time, but once you find the right person, man, you're good to go. As you can see, she's posting pretty consistently. and she has some fitness videos. So we're gonna go with her. Let's see how many. So we're gonna check her social blade, right, and see if she's actually legit. Now, like I said before, like that girl right there, she could have been legit. I'm just not too sure, because with YouTube you can't have huge spikes like that. Let's see. All right, let me scroll down. All right, so as you can see, she's gaining a bunch of subscribers every day, and she had a huge spike as well, 47K in 1 month. But hey, I don't know, man. I don't know, cause that can happen as well, a huge spike. But right here, she got 14K. You just want to look out for that, man. Just look out for that. But her channel seems legit. You just want to check the comments, see how many views she getting every day and things like that. But that's just how you find the best influencers. Check how many views they're getting. Check if they're legit on Social Blade. Watch out for huge spikes like that and things like that. But if they do have a huge spike, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're not legit and things like that, because you can't have a viral video and things like that. But let's just say where we're going to go with her, right? The next step to do is to find out their contact info so we can contact her. So all you want to do is go to the About section, or you can go to one of her videos, and in the description of her videos, chances are she have her Instagram and things like that. So you want to do multiple different ways to contact her, right? So you don't just want to stop at the email address, because she might not reply to the email, right? Reach out to her Instagram, Facebook if she has one, email, all of that. You want to do all of that to give you the best chance of getting a reply, right? And everybody is not going to reply, so you got to do this with multiple people to find the right one. So all you want to do is go to her email address, and then you want to reach out to her. You just want to say something like, so, hey, I love your channel. I was wondering if you like a free sample of Organifi green juice. I will ship it to you. I will pay for everything. All you have to do is show it on your next video and leave our link in the description or something like that. Just make it very simple. Make sure that you tell them you're going to handle everything. You're going to ship it to them. All they need to do is send you their information, like their shipping address and all of that. And you're going to pay for everything else. All they need to do is show it in that video and discuss it a little bit, right? That's all they need to do, and leave your affiliate link in the description, right? So that's how you're going to be making money, man. That affiliate link in the description. And let's say they get 10K views, even 10K views. 14 people will buy that product, especially because it's someone they know and it's a huge influencer, right? So they already have the audience. They already have the relationship built. All you got to do is step in and put a product that they will actually like. And Organifi green juice is a good product. So they're going to buy that product, at least 14 people a week. Especially if that video gets a bunch of views, you can make a lot of money, man. So take action on this video, man. And I actually draw it out for you so you can see the process. So I know some of you guys are visual. So step one is Organifi. You want to find Organifi or ClickBank, or just another product that you can ship on ClickBank. And then step two, you want to find an influencer to promote it. So I'm going to just put I for influencer. And then you just want to reach out to them, tell them you send them a free container of Organifi green juice, and all they got to do is leave your affiliate link in the description and mention it in that video, and there you go, man. And then next, that video, they're going to make the video, right? I'm going to just put V for video, and then in that video, they're going to have your A, affiliate link, right? So there you go, man. Make sure that you apply for Organifi green juice, and if you don't get accepted, just do what I said. I'll contact the affiliate support team and talk them into accepting you, man. That's all you got to do. All right, so that's the process. So Organifi green juice first, you got to find that on ClickBank. Next is find an influencer to promote it on YouTube. Next, the YouTuber is going to make the video and leave your affiliate link in the description. Make sure that they mention it inside the video and just talk about the benefits and things like that. Just a little bit. It don't got to be much. And make sure that it's in the beginning of the video. And tell them to actually say, click the link in my description to get your Organifi green juice or something like that. But yeah, man, that's the process. Make sure that you check out my full ClickBank Mastery course for more ways to make money on ClickBank step by step, paid traffic and free traffic. Make sure that you check out the courses in the first link of the description. But I hope that you found this video valuable. If you did, man, leave a like on it. I really appreciate it. Comment down below any questions you have. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. and I'm out, bro. I told you it was gonna be a banger.